Video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up opening balance equity in QuickBooks Online. Getting this account to zero is an essential housekeeping task that keeps your books accurate and balanced. Opening balance equity is a temporary holding account. QuickBooks uses when opening balances are entered. If it has a balance, it usually means some entries were left there instead of being assigned to their proper accounts. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the left navigation, open Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. This is the full list of your accounts. Look for Opening Balance Equity under the Equity section. If your list is long, the search bar or filter can help you find it quickly. Once you see it, click Account History. This opens a register that shows every transaction currently tied to this account. Take a moment to review what's in there. You'll typically see beginning balances for bank or asset accounts, or transactions that were mistakenly posted here when they should have gone to a bank, asset, expense, or another equity account. Your goal is to identify anything that doesn't truly belong in opening balance equity. For each transaction that shouldn't be there, click it to open the full form. Change the account field to the correct account. For example, if it's a bank opening balance, assign it to the specific bank account. If it's a purchase or fee, choose the appropriate expense. If it relates to owner contributions or retained earnings, choose the right equity account. Keep the original date and amount the same so your historical reports stay consistent. When you're done, click Save and Close. Work your way through the list and repeat this process for all incorrect transactions. If you're unsure where something belongs, make a quick note and check your supporting documents or ask your accountant before saving changes. It's better to be precise than to create new imbalances elsewhere. As you reclassify items, you'll see the balance of opening balance equity move towards zero. Once everything is corrected, the account should show a balance of $0. That's your confirmation that the equity section is clean and all entries are sitting where they belong. As an optional final check, run a balance sheet report to confirm that opening balance equity is cleared and the related accounts reflect the changes you made. Reviewing the report for the appropriate date range helps ensure everything ties out. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.